I'm not really truly happy with this setup. I am using the Raspberry Pi as my DHCP server because the Omada OC200 controller doesn't do DHCP for some odd reason, but regardless. And all the access points live on the same segment as everything else. So someone pointed out that I need a router and they recommended a TP-Link one, and guess what I found in one of the boxes? It's a TP-Link broadband router. It might be for a different purpose, however, it does have configurable WAN ports, which is amazing. So what I can do is literally configure these 2 or 3 ports to act as a LAN, and there'll be a DHCP server running, and that will be where the access points will be connected. Then have maybe 1, 2 for like a Modbus network, and 1 for my computer network. So I can have everything separated, and if I need to, allow the computers talk to the actual segment with the server for the warehouse system, etc., etc. So yeah, all I need now is some kind of attachment to make sure to replace the old TP-Link one. So yeah, that'll be something to do, but super chuffed about this. And here is the part I am printing for the TP-Link load balancer. And yes, I could print it on the GD +4, but it's like 9 in the evening and I do not want to wake up the entire neighborhood, alright? So yeah, this is what will hold the balancer. And it's done. Perfect. Indulge with me in this engineering 3D printed marble where the screwdriver hole aligns with the bolt hole and I can assemble it. Yeah, amazing. And it does look like it fits really well. Absolute perfection. Remove the old one. Just move this a little and jam this beauty in and we are done. Perfect. I've provided power. Now I can connect the entire PoE switch. I can add the Raspberry Pi and the wireless access point can be added here as well, since this is the LAN and these are going to be the 2 1 ports. So yeah, there is that for now, and it's getting better. I'll just configure this and start actually having more fun. So yeah, there is that. That's all I wanted to show you, and thanks for watching.